Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and in today's Slingshot to Better Health in 60 Seconds, on the list of things I would never do, and that's using hand sanitizer every time you turn around. So a couple things. We were getting on a plane recently, and somebody spent 5 minutes wiping everything down of the seats in front of them. I also remember years ago, we did the owl pellet lab thing where you're playing around in the owl that they've coughed up, and you're walking into lunch right after that, and they're offering hand sanitizer. I was like, we're going to go wash our hands. We're not going to use hand sanitizer after we've been doing all that. But we need to have some faith that our own microbiome on our skin, which we have, and it differs from the left and the right, can actually take care of things. So certainly wash your hands, but the idea that 20 times throughout the day we need to whip out hand sanitizer and disinfect our hands is not healthy. And I don't generally see those people being healthy.